Today we are going to be talking about navigating the gym and doing that while you're fat. That could pose to be a problem. We're going to talk about it today. Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you've been around here a while. I'm Kendra, this is 𝐒𝐿𝐴 𝐁𝐞 This is where I share my weight loss journey with you. Hopefully I can help you out if you're on a weight loss journey. And I also do commentary on a variety of topics, including health, wellness, fitness, weight loss, stuff like that. So hopefully you'll join me. You'll also learn a little bit about me along the way. And if that stuff sounds good to you, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So if you've been on the internet any amount of time, you have saw these videos where there are girls at the gym and they are exposing gym creeps. Okay, so gym creeps do exist. I want to get that out there. I want to throw that out there. You can find a creep anywhere. Anywhere in this world, there's going to be a creep, I guarantee you. So let's talk about this whole phenomenon briefly. Just briefly, because the topic has been over-talked. So there was this video, and I'll show a clip of the video where the girl's at the gym and she's about to do a hip thrust and she's sitting on the floor and she decides to record, and a guy is looking at her and she's like, oh my God, he's looking at me, he's a creep, blah, 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 blah. And she's getting mad or whatever. And then he comes over to like ask her, does she need help putting the plates on her equipment or whatever? And she's like, no. And he walks away or whatever. And it went viral. Like everybody was talking about it. And I'll go ahead and play that clip.
This is how to not approach girls at the gym.
I hate this. I hate when there's Weirdos. It's me so uncomfortable. Feral, like feral. Just watch. There's the 5 pounds. And these are the weights. Excuse me? You don't have to do that. It's okay. No, it's okay. I got it. Thank you, though. See what I mean? All right, here we go.
So yeah, everybody was talking about this clip, and the girl, she like eventually apologized or whatever. But I'm just like, that's how you felt? Like, why apologize? That's how you felt. Although when I looked at the video, I didn't think that he was a creep. I thought he was looking at her. She was sitting on the floor. She had a camera set up. She was talking to herself, and it appeared that she had a little bit of difficulty with her equipment. So he's looking at her like, what the hell is she doing? Struggling with the equipment, sitting on the floor, talking to herself. And she has a camera set up, and the camera is like pointing in his direction. And he's probably like, what is this girl doing? And then he comes over to help her out because it appears that she might be struggling a little bit. And then after she said no, he walked away. He didn't continue staring. He didn't say, hey, you're going to take this help? I don't know, y'all. I didn't think he was too creepy. But I also have never been creeped on at the gym that I know of. And this is going to get into the points of kind of like navigating the gym or whatever while you're fat. I'm going to get there. I'm going to help you guys out if you need it. But I just wanted to briefly kind of talk about that because it is a serious matter. It's a serious issue. And if you feel like you are being harassed in any kind of way or you feel uncomfortable, make sure to alert the staff. Please do that because you don't need to be treated like that and no one else needs to be treated like that. You deserve to feel safe. You deserve to feel like you're in an environment that is safe for you and safe for others. And so if you are experiencing any type of harassment or you're feeling uncomfortable in any way, please alert the staff so that they can take care of the matter in a sensible way. So now that we have the whole creep situation out the way, I'm going to just be talking about navigating the gym while you're fat. Okay, so the first thing that people talk about a lot is like even going to the gym. They have major gym intimidation. They don't even want to go because they feel like they're fat, they don't belong there, or people are going to be looking or whatever. I don't know. Let me just tell you guys that most gyms, well, all the gyms that I've been to, they have people there of all sizes, ages, shapes, colors, sexes, everything. And I have been going to the gym since I was like 18 years old. And I have been going to the gym since I was obese. I've always been obese. So I've never been to the gym at like a normal size. So I feel like I'm the perfect person to talk about this. I have been to numerous gyms over the years. And when I say numerous, I've probably been to over 10, 15 gyms, literally, in several different states. So I've seen every kind of person at a gym that you could imagine being at a gym. And within all of those years, I've never felt like I shouldn't go here, if that makes sense. So get the gym intimidation out of your mind, out of your head, no matter how big or small or tall or wide or, you know, out of shape you are, whatever, you belong at the gym. So please do not let gym intimidation ruin your opportunity to go to the gym. If you want to go to the gym, go to the gym because you belong there. Okay, so how do you navigate this whole entire gym world if you've never been or you're scared to go or whatever? So the first kind of tip that I have is to blend in. Like if you're already feeling nervous about something or you're feeling scared or just intimidated or whatever, just blend in. Just wear normal clothes and just go to the gym. Like that's what I do. Like I don't wear anything flashy or super cute or any of that. Like I just blend in. No one notices me. No one cares about me. No one looks at me. No one stares at me. No one asks me questions. Like I'm like just a person going to the gym. Like most people that are at the gym, they're there for them. You know, they want to do their sets. You know, they're looking in the mirror, okay, are my muscles popping or what? They're there to exercise and leave. They're not there to socialize. They're not there to like harass you or make fun of you. Like they don't care about you. They only care about themselves. That's why they're there at the gym. So just maintain a low profile, blend in, wear normal clothes, act like a normal human being. You will be just fine. My second tip is to make sure you know how to use the equipment. If you don't want people looking at you, then use the equipment correctly. And you're like, okay, I don't know how to use the equipment. How am I gonna know how to use the equipment? Well, you can always get a staff member at the gym and then they have no problem showing you how to work equipment or do equipment or how exercises work or any of that. The gym environment is laid back, usually very relaxed. People are there to help if need be. I mean, I know you probably don't want to ask a random person, but the staff at the gym, they're there to help. They're there to make sure everything is running properly, running smoothly. And that includes the patrons of the gym. They want to make sure that you are satisfied so that you can continue to come back to the gym. So if you do not know how to use any of the equipment, please alert a gym staff member. And some gyms have it to where there's a QR code you can scan on the equipment and it'll show you how to do it. It'll be like demonstrations. Or there will be directions on certain equipment and it'll tell you like how to do the exercise. You can also, from your kind of like peripheral vision or line of sight, you can kind of like look at people who are, you know, using the machines, and then you can see what they're doing and kind of, you know, use the machine in the way that they're doing it. Or you can just stick to the machines that you know. If all you know how to do is get on a treadmill or get on an elliptical, then just do that. And then over time, once you're kind of like a little less nerved, you can move on to new equipment and things that you've never tried before. So my suggestion is to just know how to use the equipment. And then that takes off so much of the anxiety that you might be feeling. This is one thing that a lot of gym offers are like group fitness classes. I would highly suggest going to a group fitness class if you have the opportunity. Some gyms you have to pay for them. Other gyms, they're offered free with your membership. The membership that I have in the gym that I go to, the group fitness classes are free. You just show up during the time and you just do the class or whatever. It's something that I had a bit of an interest in, but my schedule is so crazy that I don't know when I'm going to be available. So I really can't do group fitness classes. And I've seen them go on. So it's honestly not anything that I'm really interested in. But it can be a way to kind of break the ice, to kind of meet people at the gym, to kind of, take that tension off of you so that you're like, okay, this is not so bad. And then usually within those classes, they're mostly females. They're mostly ladies, women, or whatever. So if you're kind of like maybe feeling a little bit intimidated or anything, or maybe you feel like someone is going to like mess with you or harass you or anything, those classes are usually ladies. So if you're a lady and you're feeling like, oh, I don't fit in here, those classes are, when I say all ages, shapes, size, everything in those classes, there are the ones that I see at my gym. So I think a group fitness class is a great option if you're a little bit nervous or worried or anxious or scared or hesitant about going to the gym. And usually those instructors are very kind, patient, awesome. And they usually have all kinds of fitness levels, beginner all the way up to advanced. So I think a group fitness class is a great idea to help you kind of navigate the whole gym world. Another thing that you can do, if you can afford it, is to get a personal trainer there at the gym. The personal trainer will not only show you how to use the equipment and do certain exercises and make sure that you have proper form, they can also set you on a good track to exercising and working out and making sure that you're actually doing it. They can also challenge you and push you. And of course, they're going to work you out. Yeah, you're going to get a great, excellent workout. And then they can also kind of help you break that ice there at the gym. The way that my gym works is you'll sign up for the personal training sessions. And then they'll match you with a personal trainer that fits your description or your needs or whatever. And then once you are matched with that person, then they will schedule times and dates or whatever for your future sessions. So it's really not a big deal at all. So if you are feeling a little worried about navigating the gym or whatever, I think a personal trainer is a great way to kind of break that ice, get accustomed to the gym. And it's definitely a viable option for those people that are novices or that want to get more help with form and using gym equipment and kind of getting in the habit of what exercises that they need to do. Okay, so my last tip in navigating this whole gym situation space is to get a gym partner. So this could be a friend, a family member, a random person you might even meet at the gym. And not only can this person kind of help you navigate the whole entire gym, especially if they're a little bit more experienced in the whole gym world, is they can give you encouragement. They can kind of be your accountability partner. They can just keep you on track with everything. They can also be your built-in spotter. So if you have a friend, a family member, a coworker, someone who wants to work out with you, you guys kind of live in a certain kind of area close to each other, or you can just meet up and meet each other at the gym certain days of the week, certain times. I think it's a great idea. I know that even in some groups, social media groups online or whatever, people are looking for gym partners in certain areas, people to be physically active with, to help one another. And I think it's just a great idea. And you can have someone that can support you and work with you and help you out in navigating this whole gym situation space. So you guys, I hope these tips have been helpful for you. It's something to think about. Exercise is so important. And it's not just for losing weight. Exercise is so important for maintaining overall health, cardiovascular heart health, also for you to maintain your figure, improve your figure, lose weight, feel better, more energized, and increase the longevity of your life. So I hope you guys are exercising, whether that's inside of a gym or not in a gym. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you can continue getting videos from me and saying things like this for just simple tips and tricks on how to continue to live a healthier life and a healthier lifestyle. I hope to see you on the next one. Make sure you continue to spread kindness in a world full of hate, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye-bye.